Hi guys, good morning. This is your Chef Prakash. Hope you are doing good. And today we are going to discuss about some important topic. We already discussed about the lemon water, lemon drinks, whatever it is. But last night I saw one video from instant.com that is by Dr. Ashwin. My all videos, my tips related to the health, all from his videos only. I am keep on supporting his videos and I am keep on following him and I am learning lot of things from Dr. Ashwin. So yesterday only I saw one video. We have the habit of having the green tea with lemon tea and warm water with lemon. These are the things we are usually doing at the early morning or evening time. But there is a one thing he explained yesterday. Lemon have a vitamin C and it's very important thing to our body too. The vitamin C is very important, but once you take the lemon juice and you mix with any hard substance, whether it is a green tea with lemon or lemon tea or lemon water, warm water, whatever it is, you don't get the vitamin C when you taking lemon juice with any other substance, because once you will put the lemon juice in warm water, the vitamin C will be not fully get to your body. This is the message yesterday I read. If you want to take a lemon juice or whatever it is, you have to drink in our normal room temperature water. Don't try to mix with green tea or lemon tea. So there is no use of taking of lemon. So you don't get any benefits from the lemon. So vitamin C, if you want get from the lemon, you have to drink the lemon juice with normal room temperature. And one more thing, if you go outside, maybe anywhere, you are getting the lemon water soda, that is also really not good for your body. Lemon soda, they will put the salt and they put some other ingredients, whatever it is. The lemon soda, it's 0% use. Some people saying that is good for your gastric problem. There is no use of soda. So please stop drinking soda along with lemon. If you want to drink lemon juice, take a lemon juice, mix with normal water and put little salt and sugar, mix it well. For flavor, if you want, add little mint, drink it. This is enough. So if you add another things in warm water or lemon tea or mint tea with lemon, whatever it is, especially soda, you don't get any beneficial from the lemon. The vitamin C you will not get to your body. So yesterday I read this message through the video. So I make this video for you all. Kindly watch, subscribe. If you like, share with your family and friends. Thank you so much. Have a good day.